You already know, the skirts have arrived, and we about to get into it. Let's go. Yeah. What the heck is this thing? What is this, you might ask? A 6-foot pleasure machine, you might guess? You'd be wrong. A 7-inch dildo cock? You'd be wrong. A really long corn dog? Incorrect, my guy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, my name's Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Mark 6 Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button because we're growing fast. Your boy is on that grind to 1,000 subscribers. And I can't be any more hyped about it. We're getting so close. We're at like 3,800 hours out of 4,000, which is crazy. We're super close on that. We're at 855 subscribers. We're killing it. Love you guys. Can't do without you. So, with that being said, I'm gonna give a quick shout out to one of my good friends. My good friend, Kayla. If you guys don't know about her channel, go check her out. Super slept on content. If you guys, she works straight out of a shop. She gives way more in detail of her like installs and things like that. She has a beautiful Golf R. Go check her channel out, for real. We're both on that grind to 1,000, and it's super sick to have somebody. We're like neck and neck. We keep going back and forth. She'll get above, I'll get above. So it's nice to like, you know, give yourself a little push on each other, you know? We coming, bro. So go check out her channel. Highly recommend. She's a good person. Let's get it. For those who do know, I have been waiting for this for a long time, my guy. These are the side skirts. Finally, my G. What do you think, Kippy? Should we open them up? For those who don't know, that we're gonna talk about at the end of this video, your boys had quite a heckin' time trying to get these goddamn things from this company, and I'll go over all of that and how I feel about my ordering process, everything that I dealt with. We'll deal with that after. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday we go to my dad's, so I'm thinking we're gonna unbox this real quick, take a look, see how the product is. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the screen over here. I do that a lot. I need to stop doing that. We're gonna unbox this now, then we're going to my dad's. We'll get it installed. I haven't seen my dad in like 2 or 3 weeks because we were up in Montpelier helping my uncle watch his dogs, and we just got back from there. So I don't know what day you'll be seeing this, hopefully tonight. But your boy's grinding the videos. Let me get a knife. We'll unbox this bitch. I have been waiting so long for this shit. All right, let's open this smartly. All right. Imagine I actually could speak French. I had you fooled. There were some reviews on Google, right, that were really good about this company. And then the other one said that it took 4 to 5 months for them to get it. And when they got it, it was all scratched to shit. So baby, let's pray that that is not the case. Because I'm gonna be quite happy. What do you think? What's your vote? Scratched or clean? Let's find out. Sheesh. Oh my lord. They even included stickers. Shit. Ah. Yo, this is actually sick, dude. She is all clean. Well, now I'm curious to see, because like, when you take this out and you first look at it, because like if you look at this, you're like, oh, it's scratched. It's just fingerprints. There's nothing on it. They killed it. This looks good. Well worth the wait. Look at that, though. She aggressive AF, my guy. Shoo! Let's get a little mock-up. But yeah, so a lot of the reviews online were like either really good or really bad. The bad ones were like, they waited 4 to 5 months. Customer service wasn't the best. They had some problems, is what they said in the reviews. And then they also said when they got it, it was scratched. But that one is not scratched at all. It's got a bunch of fingerprints all over it, but like as soon as you just microfiber wipe it, she clean. Again, I'm also not that picky, bro. I just hate when companies are like, they tell you you're gonna get it here, you don't get it. And I tell you again, you're gonna get it, and then you don't get it. That's it. The real part. Problems that I had. Keep it real with you guys, obviously, and let you know what the fuck's up. No cap. So I ordered from this company originally 3.5 months ago, I think. I ordered it, and then it was about 2 weeks, I want to say, and I just asked them, I was like, hey, what's the usual shipping time, or for me to get like my shipping confirmation? And then that's when they said they had to make it to order, and that's what they were in the process of. I was like, okay, cool. I thought it was like in stock, not a big deal, right? So then a couple more weeks go by, and then I was just like, I asked the same question again, just because I was kind of curious, because obviously I was waiting to make a video on it. And I was like, hey, just like, not to keep bugging you guys, but like an ETA on like usually how long it takes. And they said it's just finished and going to powder coat. So a week and a half from now, give or take a few days, you should have a shipping confirmation. I was like, okay, cool. Then another 2 weeks go by, and I just asked a nice question again. I was like, hey, did you? It's been 2 weeks now. Did you guys just have like an update? And they said it just came back from powder coating. You'll have a confirmation by the end of the day, right? I was like, okay, cool. 3 or 4 days go by, and then I ask him like, hey, not sure what's going on. Kind of irritating me a little bit. It's been 4 more days, haven't got a confirmation. And then they sent the same thing. They said it just came back from powder coating, and they apologized, and they'll have it by the end of the day. And I was like, okay, no biggie. And I understand, like, the demand for car parts right now is so high, and the supply is, like, low. Like, people are waiting long times for that. That's why I don't have a problem with it. Like, I don't give a fuck, bro. If it's gonna take 5 months, just let me know that it will take 5 months. Like, it's, you know, whatever, not a big deal. I'm an easy person. Finally, another week goes by, and I was like, hey, like, what the fuck's the deal? What's going on here? And they're like, oh, we already sent you a shipping confirmation. And I was like, I did not receive it. I had notifications on. It is what it is, but they did send it. And then it was a couple more days before it actually shipped from UPS, and then it took, you know, like a week to get here. So the only problem that I had was like that. It was literally just the customer service was like, you know, telling me that it came back from powder coating a few times seemed just a little lazy, but I'm not being a dick at all. I totally understand, like, the demand for shit is so high right now, and people get it twisted, because then it's like, then one thing goes wrong, and they're like looking for an excuse to complain about it. They're like, oh, well, hey bro, I got my skirts. I'm happy, I'm hyped, I don't really care. I got my skirts, I'm happy, they got their money, they're happy. Supply and demand, my guy. I don't like doing that kind of stuff because it makes me feel like I'm shitting on the company. I am not at all. Okay, so it'll be a little bit before we go to my dad's. So we will jump to when we were getting in the car. I got them all packed in, and we'll rip over there and have a good time. Let's get it. Welcome to the cabin. As you can see, we've got the skirts. They're gigantic, but we've got them tucked, wrapped in towels. Wrap. He's literally, you are an outside cat, my man. Oh, hello. We've arrived at my father's. This, with those, it's gonna look. What do you think, Kitty Big Balls? In case you guys haven't met him, this is Kitty Big Balls. That's his name, aka Bandit. So I'm just gonna start up here, and you just use self-tappers and go right underneath here. I think as long as the front is perfectly lined up, it should line up on the rear. Sheesh! Driving a race car, my guy. 1 second. Yo, this looks crazy. Ah, now I need a front lip. Now it looks goofy without the front lip. This one's for the boys. I gotta do it for the. Oh, hello. Yo, this thing's fucking nuts, bro. Yo, that's fucking cool. It's like one of those things because it's so hard because you literally can't even see it on camera. Ugh. Oh, yes! Yeah, literally all you have to do is it's already pre-drilled and everything, and you just get little self-tappers, and you just go right up in plastic trim right here, and go right up through with the whole thing. It's a little sketchy and hurts my heart a little bit, but...
I did not say
that's exactly what you just said. Exposed. Admit it. Admit it. Citizen's arrest. Get out of the car. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Just watch
No, it's cool. It's cool. It's just kidding. Not like I'm not gonna pull legal actions. It's okay. It's okay. Just remember. I don't want to use my power, but I have it right here. You see this? Power.
Baby,
Boom.
I have a family lawyer.
You think I give a shit, huh?
You don't have anything.
You think Chris from Kenya gives some shit about a lawyer?
You can't put this on YouTube.
Look around me. I'll expose everybody. I just turned into like one of those like dickheads on YouTube that's like, oh, what'd you say? What? No, we dropped the charges. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Yo, Chris from Kenya's brother. Welcome back to the vlog.
Wait, did you see the comment on?
Yeah.
Drag him along.
I am too. I'm sorry.
I can't wait till it makes soccer. It's a nice school night.
Oh my god, this looks so good. What the heck and heck, bro? She's looking so fresh. Except for those windows that aren't tinted yet. Is that a Tomei, my guy? Oh. Oh, it sounds kind of good.
Let's go last.
Oh, it sounds great. If you get these are super easy to install, nothing crazy. Don't overthink it. Do it yourself, bro. Have a good time, as always. I think that's it, my guys. I'll have another video up for you in the next day or two. Your boy is out. I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, go down there and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget, check out my friend Kayla's channel, for real. If you like this, let me know in the comments. I think they're super sick. They're super aggressive. It's like as aggressive as you can get without being too much, but it matches the diffuser, and when we get a front lip on there, it'll look super good. She's nice, clean. She's looking good. I'm hyped. Came out amazing. As far as the next video, I'm not really sure what I have a bunch of videos planned, but I'm not sure which one will actually fall next, but I'll have it up within the next day or two. Sunday, we have Cars and Coffee, so hopefully I see you guys there. If you're there, say what's good. I love seeing the boys. I love everybody being hyped. It's super sick. And that's it. Your boy's out. Peace.